Hey folks, Machinery Pete here. You know, I've been covering machinery auctions now for about 23 and a half years and traveling around the country a lot more here the last few years for our YouTube videos and also for our TV show on RFD TV. And one thing that's really struck me more and more is how emotion is tied up with both the buyer and seller on any machinery auction, especially on good older used tractors. And a perfect example of this in a beautiful way was exhibited on Saturday, just a couple days ago here, March 23rd, 2013, on a sale in Wellman, Iowa. This was a consignment auction by Dua's Auction Service. And one of our connections followers on our Machinery Pete Facebook page, Chris, out of Marengo, Iowa, and I believe his last name is Schnebby. Hope I'm pronouncing that right, Chris. But Chris has helped us out and shot some video. And what you're looking at here is a tractor that belonged to Chris's dad. And this tractor sold on the auction Saturday in Wellman, Iowa. It's a 1972 John Deere 4320 diesel with 8,200 hours, 400 hours on a John Deere overhaul, and near new rear tires there, only 200 hours on the rear tires. Now, Chris was shooting video of this tractor selling on the auction Saturday. And like at many good consignment sales, the auction company will have the owner, talk about the tractor a little bit. And Chris's dad began to talk, and you'll notice in the video, got choked up. Now, Chris mentioned to me the story behind this is the first tractor his dad owned, and the first tractor that Chris ever drove. So there again, there's that strong, powerful human emotion there tied up with these tractors. So let's go to the video that Chris shot on the sale Saturday in Wellman, Iowa.
4320. You should have, Donnie. Yeah, it's a good one. Alright, here we go. What do you got to say?
400 hours on the overhaul.
400 hours on an overhaul. I don't think he wants to sell it very bad.
It's been a good tractor.
It's been a good tractor, and it's close to his heart, I can tell you that right now. You don't need to say any more. Alright, here we go, right here, and it's a Danny one right here. I'm good about 10,000, 10, 5, 4, now 11. I'm going to get 10, 5, now, I'm going to get 11, I'm going to get 10, 5, now, 11, now, 11, 11, now, 11, 5. I'm going to get 11, I'm going to get 11, 5, I'm going to get 12, I'm going to get 4, I'm going to get 4, I'm going to get 11, 5, I'm going to get 12, 12, 5, I'm going to get 5, I'm going to get 5, I'm going to get 13, I'm going to get 13, 13, 5, I'm going to get 13, 5, I'm going to get 14, 5, I'm going to get 14, I'm going to get 13, 5, I'm going to get 14, I'm going to get 14, I'm going to get 13, 5, 14,000. But now 5, I'm going to get 14, 5, I'm going to get 13, I'm going to get 15, 15, 5. I'm going to get 15, I'm going to get 15, I'm going to get 15, 5, but now 5, 15,000, 500. But now I'm going to get 15, I'm going to get 15, 5, but I'm going to get 15, I'm going to get 2 and a half, 15,250. But now I'm going to get 15, I'm going to get 2 and a half, 15, 15, 2 and a half. I'm going to get 2 and a half, I'm going to get 2 and a half, I'm going to get 15, 2 and a half. I'm going to get 2 and a half, I'm going to get 2 and a half, I'm going to get 15, 15, 2 and a half. Don't take long, I'm sorry. Sold at $15,000. Thank you. His number is 830.